Hey everyone! Today, you'll learn how to master the Ninja Crispi Pro. Let's dive right in. Your Ninja Crispi Pro countertop glass cooking system includes a removable modular base and 2 CleanCrisp glass containers, a 6-quart XL batch container, and a 2.5-quart medium batch container, each with its own crisper plate and lid. The XL batch container is best for family-sized meals and can feed up to 10 people. And the medium batch container is perfect for everyday cooking and can feed up to 4 people. When preparing your meal, you want to ensure that the modular base is locked into the correct position for the glassware size you have selected. There are 3 unique positions: the bottom position to fit the 6-quart container, the middle position to fit the 4-quart container, and the top position to fit the 2.5-quart container. These are your crisper plates. They are the secret to crispy, golden results. To use them, simply place them into their CleanCrisp containers. The crisper plates are ceramic-coated for non-toxic cooking and allow air to evenly circulate under and around food for that perfect all-over crisp. Each container also comes with a snap-on lid. To make storing leftovers a breeze, just snap it on, and into the fridge it goes. Both containers are designed with fixed, easy grip handles for easy transport from kitchen to table. You'll also notice the counter-safe feet on every container. Place them on granite, laminate, marble, and butcher blocks without a worry. If you love your Ninja CleanCrisp containers and want to expand your collection, be sure to check out the 4-quart container and additional bundles at ninjakitchen.com. For more details and chef-curated recipes, make sure to check out the inspiration guide that came with your Ninja Crispi Pro. Now, you're ready to cook, crisp, and serve up some delicious food.